Hello student, I am Assistant Professor Varsha Badekar from Shri Mudai Devi Shikshan Sanstha, Professor Sambhajirao Kadam College, Devur, Satara. Today we are discuss about our new syllabus NEP 2.0 of Shivaji University, BSc Part 1st, Same 1st, Department of Botany, Paper 2nd, DSc 2nd, Biomolecules and Cell Biology. In paper 2nd, module 2nd is the cell or cell biology. Firstly, we are introduced that what is meant by cell biology. Cell biology means the study of the structure, function and behavior of the cells, the basic units of life. That means cell biology. In this module, there is first unit is cell. In this unit cell, there are two subpoints. First one is introduction and second one is structure of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Now we are start. First, introduction. Cell is the smallest basic unit of life that carries all processes of life. The science dealing with the study of cell is known as cell biology or cytology. History. Robert Hooke in 1665 used the term cell. Then next Anton van Leeuwenhoek in 1675 observed and described a living cell. Third, Robert Brown in 1831 discovered a nucleus in the cell. Then next definition of the cell. Cell is defined as the smallest fundamental, structural and functional unit of life. Next, structure of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Now we are describe prokaryotic cells. What is meant by pro? Pro means primitive and karyote means nucleus. First we are describe introduction. Prokaryotic cells refers to the cells which has a primitive nucleus cell in which genetic materials, that is DNA, the cell showing presence of nucleides are called prokaryotic cells. They are typically unicellular. For examples are cheese, blue-green algae, mycoplasma-like organisms, that means EMLO, etc. Then next, structure of prokaryotic cells. There are show diagram. For example, Escherichia coli. In this Escherichia coli, there are some parts: flagellum, capsules, cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, plasmid, ribosomes, fimbria or pili, cell organelles. This part show in this diagram structure of prokaryotic cells. Okay student, look at this diagram carefully. Next, second, eukaryotic cell. In cell, when DNA is surrounded by distinct nuclear membrane, it forms a nucleus. It is called a true nucleus. The cells which contain true nucleus are called eukaryotic cells. Next, structure of eukaryotic cells. For example, plant cell and animal cell. In here, there are shown two diagrams. First, plant cell and second, animal cells. In both cells, there are some parts. The parts names are cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasma, cell organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, chloroplast, lysosomes, vacuoles, nucleus, and other cytoplasmic inclusions. In these two cells, plant cells and animal cells are eukaryotic cells. Then next, unit second, cell wall and plasma membrane. In this unit, there are also three subpoints: introduction, structure and function of plant cell wall; third, plasma membrane fluid mosaic model. Now, we are discuss first introduction. Cell wall is a non-living outermost layer of the cell. This is present outside of the cell membrane. It is freely permeable nature. It is present in a fungi, eukaryotic plants and in very few prokaryotes. In a prokaryotic organism, cell wall is two-layered. Animal cells do not contain cell walls. Next, function of the cell wall. In this diagram, there are show structure and function of cell wall. Look at this diagram carefully. The discuss about functions. Cell wall of the plants provides rigidity, structure and strength to the cell. Cell wall is responsible for providing support, protection and shape to the cell. Next, cell wall prevents and controls the expansion of the cell due to intake of water. It prevents loss of water. Look at this diagram. There are show TS of plant cells and ALS of cell walls of two adjacent cells. There are show S1 phase, S2 phase and S3 phase in a plant cell. Next, plasma membrane fluid mosaic model. Cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane or plasma lemma. The term plasma membrane is coined by Nageli in 1855. The term cell membrane includes membrane of cell organelles like mitochondria, chloroplast, nuclear envelope, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex and vacuoles. Then next, fluid mosaic model. This model was proposed by Singer and Nicholson in 1972. This model explains that cell membranes is semi-fluid in nature. In this model, lipids and integral proteins are arranged in a mosaic manner. In this model, there is continuous bilayer of phospholipid molecules in which globular proteins are embedded. The lipids are arranged in a two-layer. Lipid molecules has a hydrophilic. Hydrophilic means water-loving head and hydrophobic means water-hating tail. The head is made up of phosphate and glycerol and the tail is made up of fatty acid chain. Now I hope you all understand this topic. Thank you so much.